Good morning, boys and girls. Okay, today we'll look at the terms related to reflection of light. Okay, first look here. If this is a plane mirror, we draw a line perpendicular to it. Imaginary, this is an imaginary line. There is no actual line, but we imagine it for our calculations. So this is a perpendicular line to the mirror. Perpendicular means 90 at 90 degrees, and this is called normal. Okay, then the light ray coming to the mirror, which is coming towards the mirror, is called incident ray. Okay, this is called incident ray. And the light ray which is going back or bouncing back in the same medium after striking the surface, reflecting surface, that is called reflected ray. It is going back in the same medium, so it is called reflected ray. Now angles. The angle which is made with the normal and incident ray, the angle between these two is called, this angle is called angle of incidence. Okay, then same way, angle made with these two lines, reflected ray and the normal, is called angle of reflection. Okay, so these are the terms related. Now, laws of reflection. Okay, that's very important. So first law says angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. So these two angles, this is angle of incidence and this is angle of reflection, they are always equal for a plane surface or plane mirror. So suppose this is 30 degree or 40 degree, whatever, so it will also be 40 degrees. They will be always same, equal. Okay, the second law says the incident ray, the reflected ray, and the normal at the point of coincidence. Okay, I forgot to tell this term also, point of coincidence. Okay, where all these three rays meet together at a point here. This point is called point of incidence. Okay, so all these three rays at this point where, okay, at the point all lie in the same plane. Okay, so this point and all these three rays, they are in the same plane. Okay, same plane means what? A paper, suppose this is a paper, this is called a plane. Okay, all these papers at different angles are different planes. Suppose I change the angle, now it's a different plane, this is different plane. So these all three, these rays and the point of incidence all lie in the same plane. This is the second law. Okay, now reflection of an object. Okay, the image formation. So first there are two cases, a point object and an extended object. or which is not a point object. So a point object, for a point object, look how it is reflected. Suppose this is an object, point object. So rays are going from here, light rays, and they are reflecting back, okay, using the same law here, angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. If you draw a normal here, the angle will be equal, okay, for all the rays. So it is reflected back with the same angle. And when we extend these reflected rays back, okay, these reflected rays back, we extend, they meet at a point, and this is the point where the image is formed. Okay, now this distance from the object to the mirror we take always as u, remember that, and from the mirror to the object we take it as v, and they are equal for a plane mirror. Okay, the distance is equal from object to mirror and from mirror to the image. They are always equal for a plane mirror. So this is how image is formed in a plane mirror. Now this image is virtual. Virtual means it is not real, it cannot be taken on a screen. The image which cannot be taken on a screen is called virtual image. So the image formed by a plane mirror is virtual, always. So this is all about image formation by a point object in a plane mirror. In the next class, we'll discuss image formation by an extended object and also speed of light and primary colors. Okay. Color additions. So go through these pages 37, 38 and 39 so that you can understand the terms. Okay, so we'll discuss it in the next class.